To begin setup for Puck, first navigate to the App Store and search for the Puck Remote app by SmashToast. Once you install and open the app, you'll get a notification that the app would like to access Bluetooth. Click OK to allow a Bluetooth connection to Puck. The only option at this point is a button that says Connect to Puck. Before proceeding, we need to make sure that Puck is activated and listening. The battery is prevented from activating by a pull tab. Once you remove the pull tab, a green light will stay lit for a couple of seconds, indicating a successful boot. Now that Puck is listening, click Connect to Puck in the Puck Remote app. The app will begin scanning for active pucks within range. In this case, I have 3 active pucks within range. To identify which puck you are setting up, click the blink button next to each puck. Once you identify the puck you'd like to set up, tap the name to begin. Note, this is the only time the Puck Remote app needs internet access. Our infrared code database is stored in the cloud, and we are constantly updating it. Once setup is complete, the codes are stored within the app, and it's a direct Bluetooth connection thereafter. Next, choose the component type and manufacturer. Use the search bar to quickly find your brand. If you don't see your device listed, please submit a request at getpuck.com/request and we'll do our best to add it. Finally, you'll want to enter a name for your remote. You also have the option to add a description and location, or rename the puck. Naming the puck can help set it up with another device later. Note, make sure you do select the correct code set before savings. If you aren't sure, you can change this later. Manufacturers usually base these on model numbers, but not always. Click Save to save your remote. Place the puck so the arrow or flat side is pointing towards the device you set up. If it doesn't respond, adjust the location of the puck. It may be necessary to change the code set. If you are certain you have the correct code set and placement, open Puck, take out the battery, and put it back in. This reboots the puck but does not erase any settings. If you are still having issues, please contact us at support@smashtoast.com, at getpuck.com, or through the app.